Welcome to Pinkcity Handicrafts, where tradition meets the world. Have you ever wondered how beautiful Indian handicrafts reach homes across the globe? It all happens through the export business. Export simply means selling goods from one country to another. When we export, we open doors to international markets, allowing our local art to shine worldwide. The export process involves selecting products, understanding international demand, completing proper documentation, and shipping goods securely to buyers overseas. At Pinkcity Handicrafts, we carefully handle each step, from handcrafted creation to safe global delivery. We proudly export our unique handmade products like home decor, wooden crafts, and traditional artifacts to countries like the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. Exporting not only supports artisans, but also grows India's presence in the global market. So whether you're a wholesaler, a boutique owner, or simply someone who loves Indian art, Pinkcity Handicrafts is here to connect you to authentic, high-quality handicrafts directly from India. Join us on this journey, from local to global. Contact us today to explore export opportunities and bring Indian craftsmanship to your corner of the world.